Come watch me lose every brain cell in my body as we decide to clean our house in about an hour. I first start in the kids' room, make them do their vacuuming and cleaning their floors up. While they're doing that, I am in the kitchen working on getting the dishes cleaned up from breakfast. If I do this right after breakfast, then we have a very minimal cleaning to do. And I pretty much just start with the basics, wiping off the tables, wiping off the countertops. I have my boy over there, he's getting the Bissell out to do the floors. On normal deep cleaning days, I would do sweeping and mopping, but today I'm using the Bissell because we are in crunch time. I have an errand to run, and so we literally have less than an hour to get this done. And I don't know why I do this to myself. I really just don't understand it. So I clean up the chairs, and I'm going to do this after every single meal, and it definitely needs to be done with the littles. And I get all 6 of them done. Also totally random, I hate voiceovers, and I don't really know why. I think it's just because I really don't like my voice, but I digress. So we finish getting in here. I come home with my boy, fill up the water pitcher. He does not know how to use the Bissell 100% yet. It is my older boy that can do this, and he is still in training. This is normally our school time, but in my opinion, it is just as important for kids to learn how to clean as it is for them to do school, because it is part of being an adult. And we all know that parenting is teaching our children how to be adults. Redirecting them so they do not lose focus is a constant battle today, as you will definitely see. Look at him work that Bissell like a pro. He's got this. And I stepped in to help because it was taking way too long. All right, once I get that done, I wipe off the underside of the baseboards and the cupboards and get those completely spotlessly cleaned. I wish I could do this after every meal, but I do not have time for that when we're in a hurry after meal times. And this is also one of those projects that my bigger girl can definitely help with, so I put her to the task right after they're done with the dishwasher. I didn't realize it needed to be emptied this morning. So we're getting that done. We'll load the dishwasher in a few minutes as well. My 1-year-old kind of walks around and does her own thing during all of this. But this is definitely an easy task for a toddler to help you with. They can see spots, they can clean up spots, and they can do a pretty good job. My boys know where the dishes go because this is their everyday task. So while they are working on their bathroom, I get started on the vacuuming of the living room and my bedroom, which is massively annoying. I hate how much dirt gets dragged in. One of these days, I'm going to get me one of those little robot vacuums, but for now, I will do this on my own by hand. Now, most of the tidying is already done in the house. It's another reason I like to do this in the morning, because I do a lot of tidying at evening, right after the kids go to bed. Then we wake up to a clean house. So if I get my tidying done in the evenings, then I can get my cleaning done in the mornings, which is why I have very minimal tidying going on during this day. But finishing up my room, and that'll be it. Yes, ignore the pile of laundry. That will be done during quiet time and my normal routine. 3 and 1-year-old now get a brain break so that I can focus on helping the kids in the bathroom. The boys have already started. Here they are cleaning off everything. They've already done the mirrors and they've sprayed the toilet. My 5-year-old is still learning how to do the toilet. My 6-year-old can do a pretty good job at it. So I let him at the bathtub while I'm teaching the middle one how to get this part done. It is an annoying and very frustrating task to teach them. But it's part of training. It's important to show them how to do it, to watch them do it, make sure they're doing it right, using positivity the whole time, let them know they're doing a great job, show them what they could do better, and then watch them manage and maintain it and do it all by themselves. It is very rewarding. And we're almost done. By the way, they really like the camera, so if you see random breakouts of them in the camera, that is what this is. So they go work on my bathroom while I get the floor done, and that's just simply a spray and mop. All right, they've already started in my bathroom. I'm coming in to help them. I'm really picky about my toilet, so I get started on that while I make the 5-year-old spray the bathtub. Anybody can use a spray bottle. At least that's what I thought. He needs help here in a minute. My 6-year-old is working on the vanity. He made a mess with my bobby pin, so we're cleaning that up first and foremost, and then we will complete this task. This is the very last project on our list, and this is when the boys start really losing their sanity, and I'm going crazy. By the way, it's really hot and humid in here, and I'm debating whether or not I should have taken a shower before this, because I did that, and I shouldn't have. I should have waited till after I was done with this. But here we are, facing life as it is. I'm starting to count down the days when they can do this by themselves, and I don't have to go back in and monitor exactly what they did. I don't know if that day will ever come, but for now, I hope I'm on the right track. I just hope I'm on the right track. That's all I can say. Since I like cleaning my own toilet, this is a good opportunity for the boys to watch and learn how detailed I am and how much to clean, how to go around, how to clean the seats, how to clean the inside, and get all of it done. Right about here is the point that my boy starts having problems with the bathtub, so I pause to help him get that done. And here's my dancing party, because he decides he's going to get bored and come over and say hello. So, yeah. All right, hug, make up, we have fun, we're almost done. They're going crazy and losing their mind, and again, I'm wondering how many brain cells I have left. Soon enough, they will get rewarded for their hard work. So he puts the bottles away, he puts them in the washing machine, and I get started on the floors because I don't want them in there while I'm mopping the floor in case they fall. The concrete floor will hurt the head. I learned that lesson last week with my 2-year-old. I vacuumed this floor when I vacuumed my bathroom. I just did not get it on video, so I'm just going through by hand and wiping up and cleaning. And one of the last steps is taking the chairs down until the kitchen floor is dry. We are almost done. I need to soak my Bissell parts today after I finish using it on pretty much the whole house. So I drop it in some really hot water and I drop some vinegar in there, and follow and like for more.